Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to find inverse functions. So firstly, what is a function? Before we can explain inverse functions, we have to know what a function is. A function is basically a recipe. It's a set of instructions that you take in one input, you put it into the function, which we'll denote with a little square, and it gives you an output on the other side. The inverse function then does it in the reverse. You take in the output, put it through a different square, so we'll fill that one in, and on the outside you get the original input that you put into the first function. So I think the easiest way to do this is with an example, just to show you an example. So let's start off with a function f of x, and we'll say that's equal to 1 divided by 2x minus 1. And what we want to do is we want to make it so that instead of this being the subject, we want the input to be the subject, the x. So instead of doing f of x, we'll rewrite it as y is equal to 1 over 2x minus 1. And now we want to rearrange this so x is equal to something else. So we'll multiply up and divide by y. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 over y. And now we still want to get x by itself, so we'll add the 1 to both sides. 2x is equal to 1 over y plus 1, and then we'll divide by 2. So x is equal to 1 over 2y plus 1 over 2. Very nice. We'll have a look at a little bit more of a complicated one. So say f of x was equal to 4 minus the natural logarithm of x plus 2. So same thing, we'll replace f of x with y, so it's still equal to 4 minus natural log of x plus 2. And now, we want to make x the subject, so we'll try and basically unpack this side. So we'll have y minus 4 is equal to minus log natural log of x plus 2. We'll bring the negative to the other side, so it's 4 minus y is equal to the natural log of x plus 2. Now we'll raise both sides to the power of e, so e to the 4 minus y is equal to x plus 2, and then we'll take 2 from both sides, so e of 4 minus y minus 2 is equal to x. Now on both steps at the end we need to sort of relabel it, so on this one we're going to have f to the minus 1, which is the symbol for the inverse function, f of x, f of minus 1x, and this thing is going to be equal then to 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2. Just we change the y to the x's, so we swap the symbols basically. Same thing over here, x is equal to this thing, so we want to have f minus 1 of x is equal to e to the 4 minus x minus 2. Beautiful.